Hello guys, SBC Indiana EAS here. Today, there's gonna be a really special video. It's gonna be the Indiana statewide required EAS monthly test. And I am along here with
SPC Jefferson 1030 contemplating if he's about to get a TOR for his county or not?
Yes, cause here let me explain why. Let me pull this up. Let me do this. Yes, that right there. He is under that yellow polygon in SBA. He's looking at some nasty stuff. Nasty stuff. Anyways, and I got my radar pulled up as well. He is under this slight risk right here, as you can see. And that's Ashton Bueller right there.
With a 5% tornado probability.
Yes. Alright, without
right now.
Alright, without further ado, let's head into the video. Peace. Yes. They failed it. They failed it. Yes.
Oh my god.
Oh, this station's doing it. Sunny 101.5 is doing it. Oh, this station did it. Here we go, this station's doing it. This station's doing it. B100's doing it. They're doing the hertz again.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
There's that SBA that he's under. Doing on this station, AM, 1420. Let me see if they're doing on 95.1.
Says working 20.
They're not doing it on 95.1. Oh, they're doing it on this station, it looks like.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations of your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during
fight system.
This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Can we get that special warning?